G'day, Zendeska here. Hot off the press, DeepSeek. How incredible is it that we now have an open source model that is comparable, if not apparently better than ChatGPT? Absolutely incredible if you ask me. I've seen a lot of people going through and getting you to download Llama and going through the console and having to use it through the command prompt. That is one way of doing it, and that is how I did it when I started, but there's a much better solution out there, and I'm going to show you how to make essentially your own ChatGPT on your computer with a super handy user interface, and it also has knowledge stacks. Now, I'm not going to go into everything this tool can do because a YouTube short isn't enough time to cover everything, but if you go digging through this tool, you're going to find some absolutely incredible utilities that you have no idea existed. First thing you're going to want to go to this website right here, msty.app. What you want to do is you want to go ahead, download that, install it, and get it on your PC. Once you've got it installed, you'll have something looking roughly like this. Mine's already set up. I have it integrated with my workflow. I'm sure when you first download it, it's going to prompt you to ask you what you want to download. So for me, already having MSTY set up, yours may prompt you. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go down here and click local AI models, and straight away Quinn DeepSeek R1, and that is it, lads. You just simply click this download button here and it starts downloading the model. And now that it's downloaded, we're just waiting for it to configure. But while it's configuring, let's quickly just go through and see what else it's got here. See, you got your Llama models. So if you scroll down just a little bit, you can see here that there's the DeepSeek Coder version 2. So if you are more looking for your coding models, you'll want to download that one, which I will be doing as soon as I finish this. Whatever conversations you have, this is on your system. This isn't sent anywhere else. This is on your machine, and you can go to the files and delete them, whatever you want to do with them. All right, now, how do we start a conversation with this thing? Let's go over here, over to the left. We'll create a new workspace, and I'm just going to call this one DeepSeek. I'm just going to give it the coding thing right here. I need to assign a location, so I'm just assigning it my location here. Selecting that folder, great, and switch to that project, and bang, straight away, it's already like, hey, you want to start using DeepSeek. How do you change between different models? Well, down here, that's how you can change between your different models. Now that you've got MSTY set up, you'll be looking at a workplace like this. Now, just quickly, you can see that down here we have our knowledge stacks, and we can click add, and then I can give it a title. In here we can link different folders, we can add notes, YouTube links, Obsidian bolts. Now look, I've tried to get into Obsidian, it is way too complicated for me. So the people that use Obsidian, my hat off to you, Fedora tip, and just simply dragging files straight into it. It's absolutely incredible, and you can turn this on and off at any time, so it's got access to this information if you want to have conversations with it going forward in any of your conversations. Okay, I definitely think that this is the wrong model for a coding question. You can definitely see that it's trying to have a conversation here. And the thing about MSTY as well is that you have model options, and you can fine tune how you want your LLM to interact with you. So output tokens, so how long it should be, the temperature, which if you hover over the little icon here, it will tell you about what temperature actually stands for. And you can also give it specific instructions here on how to make it interact with your conversation. So you can say you're a programming expert or a software engineer. Obviously down here is where we have the knowledge stacks, where we can attach image and documents like you can with ChatGPT. My favorite thing by far about MSTY is the add split chat conversation. So you can actually have another conversation happening at the same time that my computer would probably melt. So I'm going to go ahead and try the other model. It's trying to tell me it's installed, but not showing it's installed. Let's have a look down here. If I click down here, yep, there it is there. Okay, so let's try a new conversation. Let's just go ahead and start a new chat. Okay, in a new chat here, I'm going to select the model I want to use, DeepSeek Coder. I'm going to type in what I want to do. Definitely want to be using DeepSeek Coder version 2 at latest if you're wanting to use it for code. The other one seems to be more of a chat bot rather than an actual coding assistant. So definitely get your hands on this one if you're looking for code. All the links for this will be in the video description below. The only thing you have to really go out of your way to download is the MSTY app, and then you can download the rest internally, and then you can set it up however you want inside your system.